Greetings everyone, my name is Manoj. In this video, I'm going to talk about classic problem of synchronization using semaphores. Let me show you the PDF which I created based on this concept. Here as you can see, it's experiment number 6 classic programs problems. Here the aim I written here. Here I did written all the descriptions about these specific topics, semaphores, bounded buffer problems and dining philosophy problem. Here as you can see the program for pro, okay, program for this semaphores. As you can see, it may show you the indirect live. Oh, yes, option 161. Here, as you can see, we imported thread function and time on is under the initial capacity as 10 and buffer as this, and here as we set so list which we run in a for loop range of capacity which we have already mentioned here is 10. Index in index as 0, coordinates as 0, and matrix as thread dot semaphore bracket. As you can see here, all the missions here. Yeah, okay. Let me show you the first. Here are the main code, driver code. The procedure function, which will call this function, and consumer which will call this function, and consumer start procedure start join. Whenever these functions are called, this block of code will be executed for the respective functions, as you can see here. And we initialize lots of variable here for its capacity, buffer, index as a global, so it can be accessed by other functions also, and main program also. Let's run this program. Here, as you can see, here's the output, all are the output. And the second program, let me just run the second program, then I will explain you. It will take time to run the second program. Okay, and the second program is a dining philosopher. Here, as you can see here, I imported threading, imported random and time also, and I created a class called philosopher and passed the parameter threading dot thread. As you can see, the main function here called main. Then definitely it's so here as you can see it's calling main function. After that, folks the variable which is initialized by the list thread dot semaphore for in range 5. And the one philosophers a variable which is initialized as philosopher I for I module I percentage 5. This value is inserted here in the range of for I in range 5. You see range is clearly mentioned here 5. A for loop. Here as you can see here in the second for loop, and which when we come to the, as you can see, I created an init function which will call itself and initialize the index for fork on left, fork on right. I also created another function named run and dine. As you can see, another function is dining. Here, as you can see, all the output printed accordingly. This is all about the program dining philosopher. Thank you.